What if the easiest video editor is also the most misleading one? This is Movavi Video Editor Plus, one of the most beginner-friendly editing apps out there. We're talking drag-and-drop editing, built-in effects, screen recording, even AI tools, all designed so literally anyone can start editing in minutes. That's why a lot of users love it. It's simple, fast, and perfect for YouTube, school projects, or basic content. But here's where things get interesting. On Movavi's Trustpilot, it scores around 3.8 out of 5, which is decent, but not perfect. Many users say it's super easy to use, but others complain about subscriptions, hidden charges, and refunds. Be careful with free trials, they charge you right away. And some users even report paying only to find watermarks or locked features after editing. So here's the truth. Movavi is not a scam. It's a legit software. But if you're not careful, you might end up paying more than you expected. Follow for real reviews, no sugarcoating.